Let's put the spotlight then on the CPI inflation print, and Lakshmi Iyer, the CEO, Kotak Investment Advisors, now joins in on the show to discuss that number and lots more. Thank you so much, Lakshmi, for taking time out. We didn't really think that we would be addressing, the high inflation print, but here we are at a 3-month high. What is your sense as to the number of 6.5%, and what were the estimates that you were working with?
Hi, good morning. So I think the market consensus was in and around the 6% range, with the most bullish number being at about 5.6%. So by any yardstick or any metric, clearly the number has come beyond the market comfort, largely obviously aided by vegetables and of course cereal prices. Now cereal prices have seen an uptick. It remains to be seen if we are going to see some cooling off effect, so therefore not really getting carried away by just one print, but certainly it is an eye-popping number and should have some sort of a market reaction today.
What could be that market reaction, Lakshmi, and does that change estimates materially with respect to the repo rate hike going forward? Because 25 basis point was expected to be the last one in this cycle. Does that change that assumption?
Well, yes and no, not completely changing it, because there are a couple of things which we need to keep in mind. IIP, which is, a slightly lagged measure, which one tracks from a market standpoint, has been slowing down. We saw that number also, number one. Number two is today it's very critical to see the US inflation number, which also is showing a receding sort of a trend line. And we've not really seen too much of an uptick. In fact, US yields were about 3.7 yesterday. So given all that, it doesn't seem to be a given that there is going to be a rate hike in April. Too soon to call it. I would still say it's a toss of a coin. But I would say today markets could react a tad negative because the mood is a little bit somber. So maybe about 4 to 5 basis points kind of a gap up opening could be pretty possible.
So Lakshmi, what's the outlook then on the laser focus that we have on the US CPI? What is it that we could expect on that front?
So if you see last month, the inflation clearly came down in the US. Again, Powell made a statement a few days back that US inflation is clearly headed on the lower side. And markets don't seem to be, you saw the equity markets were up in the US. You saw the bond yields were fairly okay at about 3.75, closed at around 3.7%. So markets are not really expecting anything ominous outside in the US this evening. So if that comes pretty much in line with expectation, I think markets should kind of settle in. Either which ways looks like we are towards the fag end of the rate hike cycle in India. It's a matter of 25 basis points now or go for an extended pause.
Okay, let's see whether that nervousness is out of the picture or not today evening once that CPI data in the US also comes out. But as you pointed out, perhaps in India at least, we are at the fag end of the upcycle as well. Thank you, Lakshmi, for joining us today.